Hi, this is Mike Skramstad of CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Now in this tip I want to talk a little bit about the stitching algorithms of inLab 20. And what I mean by stitching algorithms is when you bring in a biocopy and a prep, for instance, into inLab 20, the software has a novel stitching algorithm that allows you to stitch pretty much anything. Now, the only way I can explain this is, let's say you have a digital wax up from wherever. It could be from inLab, it could be from ExoCAD, or any software that your lab uses. What the inLab software allows you to do is import these into the scan step, and it automatically stitches everything together. Now, if you've ever tried this before, you know that this has not been possible before inLab 20. So let's go ahead and just show you a couple easy examples. So let's just say we're doing crowns on tooth number 5 through 12. So really quickly, I'll show you how we administer this. We're going to do crowns 5 through 12. We're going to call these copy, and we're going to go down the line, what material we're going to use, what milling unit you're going to use, etc., until everything is complete. And then we'll go into the scan step. Now, once you get into the scan step, inLab 20 allows you to actually import STLs. So we're going to go ahead and start by importing the STL of our preps from tooth number 5 through 12. Okay? And now we're going to image or bring in an STL of a biocopy or a digital wax up that was done with a complete other system into this. And what you're going to see is it's going to stitch automatically and perfectly. Okay? Now you might be saying to yourself, okay, this is great, but you had a lot of stitching abutments on the posterior. You had like 2 teeth on either side. Impressive, but I can see that this should be pretty easy to do. Well, how about this case? Every single tooth on the whole entire upper arch. Now this has no stitching abutments besides the palate, but I want you to watch what happens. So we're going to bring in every single preparation on the whole entire upper arch, and now we're going to bring in a full upper arch diagnostic wax up. And what you're going to see is it stitches perfectly. So again, inLab 20 has some very advanced stitching algorithms that allows you to do some really advanced work. And even better yet, if you have inLab 20, you can go ahead and do this, bring it to the model phase, export the DXD, and actually bring it back into the CDOCS software to design and mill. Okay, so there's many different things you can do, but this is one of my favorite with inLab 20. For more tips like this, please visit us at CDOCS. Thank you.